Hello student, I will continue with the chapter hydrosphere. So in the last video I have discussed about the ocean current. Today I will start with the concept of tides. Okay, so what are tides? Tides are actually periodic rise and fall in the level of oceans and seas that are caused by the gravitational attraction of the moon. So in other words, it is actually the alternative rise and the fall of the sea level. We are calling it as the tides. Okay, so what are actually tides? Tides are actually the periodic rise and the fall in the level of the oceans and the seas. We are calling it as the tide. It is generally caused or mainly caused because of the gravitational attraction of the moon. Now let us see the reasons for the origination of the ocean current. Okay, so the ocean current are forms because of the two reasons. One is the attraction of the earth by the sun and the moon. Next, number 2 point is the rotation of the earth. So I will first start with this first one, that is the attraction of the earth by the sun and the moon. So according to Sir Isaac Newton, the tides are formed because of the gravitational pull of both the sun and the moon on the earth's surface, and the attraction of the any objects or on other object depends on its mass and the distance of the object from one another. So the sun is about 20 million times bigger than the moon, so it should exert more gravitational power on the earth, but it is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth's surface. The greater the distance between the objects, the lesser will be the gravitational pull. For this reason, the water of the oceans of the earth attracts more towards the moon rather than towards the sun, as moon lies nearer to the earth and it is only about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the earth. So the water, being liquid, rises up higher than the solid crust of this earth, and this is known as the high tides. Okay, so when the water rises up higher, it is known as the high tide, and the tide in which the level of the ocean water falls, we call it them as the low tide. Okay, so I'm explaining this once again. So according to the Isaac Newton, we all know that the gravitational pull of the moon and the earth acts on moon and the sun acts on the earth. So the sun being far more farthest away from and and the attraction of any object depends on the two things, that is the mass and the distance. Okay, so the sun being about 150 million kilometer away from the earth, what happens is gravitational pull is not acting as much stronger as the moon. Why? Because the moon is more closer to the earth, so its gravitational attraction power is more on the earth's surface. As a result of that, the water being a liquid thing, it rises up due to this gravitational attraction of the moon, and the high tide is formed. Sometimes the level of the water falls, and at that time we get the low tides. So another factor that exerts some influence on the earth's surface, that is the rotation of the earth. So as a result of this rotation of the earth, the centrifugal force or this centrifugal force acts upon this earth's surface and helps to form the tides. So when the two persons holding hands to one ground and swirl, they tend to fall outside. So if you I think you people all played those games where you hold the hands and swing at a higher speed. So when you stop, or if you leave the hand of the other person, then you will see there is a tendency that the person moves away from the center to the outward direction. Okay, so they lean outwards because of the force that is acting outward direction from the center, and that is the force we are calling it as the centrifugal force. So this force is a force which actually throws the body away from the center to the outside portion. Okay, so this centrifugal force actually causes the water on the earth to be pulled away from the earth's surface. So due to this rotation of the earth, the tides occurs twice a day at a place, and one tides occur in the water of the earth facing the moon, and the other one occurs diametrically in the opposite side of the earth. So let me tell you this point again. So because of the rotation, what is happening? Because of the rotation, the centrifugal force is forming. Okay, because of the centrifugal force, what it is doing, it is actually throwing away the water from the in the outward direction, or it is pulling the water in the outward direction. So as a result of that, the tides are occurring, and because of the rotation of the earth, we are getting tide in any place at two times in a day. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the question in the next video. Thank you everyone.